Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sūtra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The celestial king, Eye of Pure Mindfulness, found the door of liberation, remembering the Buddha's ways of taming and pacifying sentient beings. The celestial king, delightful universal illumination, found the door of liberation that flowed forth from the ocean of universal memory and concentration power. The celestial king, sovereign lord of the world, found the door of liberation, of ability to cause sentient beings to meet the Buddha and produce the treasury of faith. The celestial king, light flame sovereign, found the door of liberation of ability to cause all beings to hear the truth, to believe and rejoice, and become emancipated. The celestial king, enjoyer of meditating on the truth and creating demonstrations, found the door of liberation entering into the civilizing activities of all enlightening beings, boundless and inexhaustible as space. The celestial king, banner of miraculous displays, found the door of liberation observing the infinite afflictions of sentient beings with universal compassion and wisdom. At that time, the celestial king, repute of pure wisdom, imbued with the power of the Buddha, surveyed the host of celestial beings of the heavens of little purity, boundless purity, and ubiquitous purity, and said in verse, "He who realizes that the nature of things is without solidity appears in all the boundless lands of the 10 directions." Expounding the inconceivability of the realm of Buddhahood, he causes all to return to the ocean of liberation. The Buddha is in the world without a resting place. Like a shadow or reflection, he appears in all lands. The nature of things is ultimately non-origination. This is the entryway of the king's supreme vision. Cultivating skill in means over countless ages, purifying all lands in the 10 directions, the suchness of the universe never moves. This is the realization of virtue of tranquility. Sentient beings are shrouded and veiled by ignorance. Blind in the dark, they remain always in birth and death. The Buddha shows them the path of purity.